Bro, that car is just sitting there running. Doors open, nobody around, in the middle of this field.
Fuel is almost full. Gloves are right there on the seat. This engine is warm, it's been running a while, and somebody stuffed a note in there on purpose. I'm not gonna read this out loud, but y'all need to tell me right now, what you think this is.
Hold on. That is a car under there. That is an actual car. $2,400. That is what this car cost brand new. This note says he parked it here and swore he'd never drive it again without him.
Offers, some things aren't about money, and this right here is. Boss says this pile's tagged for the crusher tomorrow. 300 bucks scrap weight.
D, back up and look at that nose cone and that wing. Those don't come shaped like a rocket.
This is a real. There's only a few hundred ever built. And we almost fed one to the crusher.
Boss thinks it's 300 and scrap, but this is worth a house. So do we say